People are paying right now for short video scripts that take AI less than 10 minutes to write. You only need 4 clients a day to hit $100. Welcome back to Purposefully AI, where we turn smart tools into real income. Today, you'll learn how to use AI to create a simple script writing service for popular video platforms. This is a real, beginner-friendly AI side hustle that you can start today. No filming, no fancy software, and no guessing what to do next. Your goal is simple: achieve $100 a day. This means just 4 clients, with fast delivery and clear value, all thanks to AI. Short-form video is exploding, and this creates a massive market opportunity for you. Creators and businesses need scripts constantly for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Most of them do not want to write them. Clients care about just 3 things: a strong hook, clear value, and a call to action. AI is extremely good at delivering exactly this. Let's talk about how to structure your offer and pricing to maximize your income. The key is not to offer general writing services. Instead, offer one clear script type: short, scroll-stopping video scripts for creators and businesses. Clients routinely pay $20 to $30 for a single short script. That means 4 scripts at $25 each equals $100 a day. Now let's get into the exact AI prompt that does most of the work for you. Use this prompt: you are a professional short-form video scriptwriter. Write a 30-second script about a specific topic. Include a bold hook, 3 value points, and a strong call to action. Once the script is generated, read it once for flow. If needed, ask it to tighten the hook or make it more punchy. Most scripts take 5 to 10 minutes total. Now that you have your product, let's talk about where to sell this high-demand service. Start with Fiverr or Upwork. A simple title like "I will write viral short-form video scripts using AI" works well. Offer packages like 1 script for $20, 3 for $50, and 5 for $80. You can also find clients in TikTok creator communities, YouTube automation groups, and small business Facebook groups. They care about results, not how the script was written. To scale this gig, you need to automate the workflow and look for upsell opportunities. Use a Google form to collect client details, ChatGPT to create the script, and deliver everything through Notion or Google Docs. This is how side hustles become systems. You can also upsell additional services like hooks only, captions, voiceovers, or even fully AI-generated videos. That's how a simple gig turns into a full service. We've covered the opportunity, the system, and how to scale this simple AI scriptwriting gig. Remember, 4 scripts at $25 equals $100 a day. That's often less than 1 hour of work with AI. It's a simple system leading to real income. If you want the exact prompts and workflow, download my free AI Money Starter Kit using the link below. And make sure you subscribe to Purposefully AI for more simple systems and real income strategies.